Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of cryptocurrency in 2025, you know that securing your XRP is more important than ever. Today, we're tackling a straightforward guide on how to transfer XRP from Coinbase to your Arculus wallet. This process is simple, but always remember to double-check everything to keep your assets safe. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need a Coinbase account with XRP in it, and your Arculus wallet should be fully configured and ready to receive funds. If you haven't already, download the Arculus app and verify your wallet address. It's a long string of letters and numbers, so copy it carefully to avoid any mistakes. Step 1. Log into your Coinbase account. Once you're in, head over to the Assets section and find your XRP balance. Click on it to open the details. Next, select the Withdraw or Send option. Depending on the updated Coinbase interface in 2025, it might look a bit different, but it's usually straightforward. Now, for Step 2. Enter your Arculus wallet address in the recipient field. Double-check that it's correct because crypto transactions are irreversible. Set the amount of XRP you want to transfer. Start small if you're new to this to test the waters. You'll also see network fees. XRP typically uses the XRP ledger, so keep an eye on those to avoid surprises. Before you hit confirm, review everything one last time. Make sure the address matches and the amount is right. Once you're good, click confirm, and Coinbase will process the transaction. It usually takes a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on network congestion. And there you have it. That's how you securely transfer XRP from Coinbase to Arculus in 2025. If you run into any issues, reach out to Coinbase support or check the Arculus Help Center. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and happy transferring.